Welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. Thank you so much for stopping by. This one here is my newest design. This one here is my double drone in the key of F sharp, tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. It has been produced from aromatic cedar. And if you can see, this is a beautiful, very beautiful piece of cedar. It has my one turquoise stone blocks on it, wrapped with very soft black deer leather, genuine leather. Look at that wood. And on my new designs, I have my mouthpiece, the blowholes, extremely close together. And if you noticed, the main part is a little bit higher. And I designed it like this here because a lot of people, they get a warbler sound when you're playing the main note. And this way, you don't get that warbler sound. If you cover both mouth holes, the blowholes, just make sure you blow through both of them evenly, and you won't get that warbler sound. And look at that beautiful piece of wood. Beautiful. There you go. I'm going to do a very short sound sample. You will love this flute, folks. And I'm going to have this in here on sale if you would like to have one. I'll put the link right below this video. On sale, folks. On sale. Let me know what you think. Very calming and relaxing. You don't have to kill yourself trying to play it. Every note is with the same amount of breath, and I have tuned it with the same temperature, so it's perfect. It hits your extra high notes really easily also. play it all day long. If you would like to have one, like I said, the link will be below this video, and I will have it on sale. If I didn't mention, this is aromatic cedar. Very beautiful piece of wood. Let me know what you think, folks. Thank you so much, and happy fluting.